Yeah, right now I'm picking up cigarette butts and recording for YouTube. While I was being, yeah. Yep. It's been like 2 days since I picked up dog poop, which I was earlier. Fucking trash everywhere, man. Yep. Yep. Plastic everywhere. I fucking hate plastic. That's just plastic bottles. Yep. So, not much, just chilling outside. Last time I picked up weeds, like day before yesterday. I think my belt is getting loose on me or getting really old. Where's the other cigarette butt at? See that? Looks like my neighbor is like working on something. You can hear the noise in the background, huh, Butch? There you are. There you are. Working hard for my money. Working hard for my money. I better not sing because basically that demonetized my YouTube channel. Yeah, but you're on headset. I mean, I'm on headset. Oh, there's plastic. Freaking kids. Leave trash everywhere. Yeah. Freaking Chinese rapper. What are you watching? Awesome.